because of the rakı, the uzo experience, this anise schnapps that I was drinking. And about trams, yeah, they're going trams. What it's insane. Like imagine that there are trams going here. And it's if you Google any picture saying Istanbul tram or streetcar, you will find those old rustical tramways. And imagine like they have to make their way through all these hordes of people. So they just ring the bell all the time. All the time. Especially this area is not that historical, I would say, but it's the busiest street in Istanbul. Yeah, so Istanbul has, to understand the city or how it feels for me after being here for a month, since you have the Bosphorus, the Golden Horn, I think it's in English. It separates the city a lot. So you don't have a center, as for example in Buenos Aires or in Prague, and then everything goes around. But in Prague, you have it more separated because of the river. But Vienna has a perfect city center as well, and everything goes around the city center, around the first district. Even if I go left, there are still people. Yeah, definitely Prague is super calm. This is just, it's insane. But, oops, nice haircut. Yeah, we're just heading to Taksim Square, but I will take some side streets soon. So we get into the hip area of Çukursuma, or I hope I say it right. Yeah, I think that like especially all these tourist things, they're on the European side, where we are right now. But it also like it's not like there are two sides. I think there are like five sides. Like when we've been taking the ferry at the beginning, let's try to find the historical Turkish hammam from the 1481. There's another Heygo traveler, or maybe not. Voyager. See, there is a taxi going through those little aisles of madness. So it's not like there is the European side and there's the Asian side. Yeah, definitely, because these are the two continents. But you have to cross the water also to go between the different parts of Europe or different parts of Asia. Chinese side, there's no. Thank you so much. Have a nice day, Virginia. Thanks for joining. So yeah, if you travel across Bosphorus, you have another center, like another places that have their own vibe or their own unique thing. So it's not like you would say it's one big city. It's just like more cities next to each other being connected. And the person that lives around this area does rarely go to the Asian side or to like some district in Asia. Some hammam can go in, probably kick me out, or I get into a conversation that I can't speak. Italian embassy. Yeah, it's already an hour since we're doing the live stream. I'm actually sad that it's going so fast, but Anyways, we walked till Taksim and we end up this tour there. I think it's gonna be like at least 15 minutes. Because otherwise, I think that I haven't showed you like what I promised. So hammam bath. It depends on into what hammam you go. That's everywhere. You have the more touristy places, more traditional places, the more dirty ones, the tourist traps. And for me, it's important to really like experience the culture, to experience how it is. But also, I don't want to go to a nasty place. Like if it'll be just like this standard. So I went to a traditional one that was really clean, and I spent like $15 for the hammam entrance, for the scrub where they do the peeling, and then another massage. There was some sort of chiropractical massage with soap and bath, and it cost me $15. But my flatmate, she went to a more touristic one that is also mixed, what is not that common, and it costs $50. Oh, Charlotte, thank you so much. It's such a nice compliment, especially now at the beginning. It motivates me more to continue doing things, the tours. I was just distracted because there is another hammam, as you can see. But the best ones are not that are in the cellar. The better ones are the ones that are actually on the street, and they have a kind of cupola, they have kind of roof where the steam can exit. And Turkish people are really into my energy. I feel quite tired today, I have to say, and also a bit distracted because it's my first time doing this. So Turkish people are really into secondhand things, into these bazaars. I also noticed this in Vienna because Turkish people are just bargaining all the time. And in Balad, where we just been coming from, they're even every second day. Look at those cats waiting for getting their kebab. You see it? They're doing auctions for the secondhand things. They just scream çok güzel, very beautiful. They invite everyone. There is like one moderator in the front with a headset telling the people to join. And invite. Look at the teddy bear over there trying to commit a suicide. Okay, I'm getting a bit lost, to be honest. Yeah, you should definitely come to visit Istanbul. I have to say, at the beginning, I didn't like it that much. I was like, okay. But little by little, I like it more and more. I can get enough for it. Yeah, Martin is lost. So it's accurate since I'm exploring the city with you. Some poor little lady. Not gonna film her. But so when it comes to homeless people here, every walk is a workout, definitely. When it comes to homeless people and poverty here, I have the feeling that they really make a show sometimes out of it, and they're not that poor. I mean, definitely they're poor because they have to do this. For example, I seen a lady barefoot in a bunch of trash on one of the most public places, and it wasn't just real. I should come to visit. Maybe some walls here. I think you should, yeah. So now we're around in Chuma. It's a very hip area with a bunch of cool cafes. But the way deeper you go into the side streets, the cooler it is. You see, you get the idea already. It's very European. Don't you think that we're like in any other European city?